So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing how you can stake Solana, the cryptocurrency, and how you can avail of Robinhood's cash APY. First, in order to avail of any of this, I have to have money on hand. And as of course, I have money that I've gotten for free from my previous two videos. So I'm going to start selling my NVIDIA spots and my VO spots. While I'm doing that, I might as well show you guys how to sell on the Robinhood app. So you go down to whatever you have purchased. So say, for example, I have this VOO. I think I have like €5 worth. Yeah, 5.53. So I just click sell and then I swipe up on my screen and it sends off a sell order. And that means that it's like gone to the marketplace to be bought. So it's gone through there. I'll also show you how you can sell your crypto. All you have to do is just click on trade. So if we click, I think I have €16 here. No. How much do I have? 18, sorry. I have €18.90. So if I click on trade here, you can see that you can just sell, and I just sell all mine and then swipe up, and there you go. So that's Bitcoin sold. And now I'm just going to quickly I believe I have Ethereum and a few other coins, and I'll just quickly sell these off and show you guys while I'm at it. I do have €18 as well in this. So I'm just going to click sell all, swipe up from the bottom, and that's that sold. And we'll just keep moving on. Okay, now that I have a bit of capital, I should be able to kind of stake Sol. So with Robinhood, they're offering a 50% earning match. So I will get an estimated 4.49% APY. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have to purchase some Sol first, because as we've just kind of sold everything but and haven't purchased Sol. So we're going to find Sol at the bottom here of the app in the cryptocurrency section. So I have 0.00 balance. I'm going to click buy, and I might as well just buy €100 worth. Okay, so we're going to swipe up from the bottom. We have a 0.50% fee, and the order is pending. So we've just bought our Solana. As you can see, my balance is €99.53. And we can see here it shows staking estimated 4.49% APY. Earnings are estimated to be paid out after around 2 weeks. So I'm just going to stake all of my money here, so €100 worth. This is the estimated APY, and the processing time will take 2 days. And there we go. So my request has been submitted, and after that, it will be earning the APY. Just to check that we've done it right, we're going to go back to staking, and yeah, we can see that the money is staked, and we can track our earnings once kind of it processes. So we'll just see our history there. You can see that's processing, and you can also learn more about the 50% match that Robinhood are currently offering if you were to stake with them. So yeah. So what is staking Solana or cryptocurrency exactly? So staking is when you lock up your crypto to help validate transactions on a blockchain, and then in return, you earn staking rewards paid out regularly. Okay, so you stake your Solana with a validator. Your Sol helps secure the Solana network, and you can earn rewards from staking, and rewards are paid out every 2 weeks on Robinhood. So what's the key benefits of staking on Robinhood currently? Well, they're offering a 4.49% APY, which is the annual yield. They're also offering a 50% earning match for a limited time. So you get a 50% match on your Sol staking earnings up to €10,000 in rewards. And they do have flexible terms. which means that there's no lockup period and you can stake or unstake your Solana whenever you want. So this is how much you can earn. If you stake around 10 Solana, you'll get around 58 euro in APY at 4.49%. And then with a 50% match, you'll get 29 euro. And after a year, that would be kind of 87 total. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what the catch is. APY is estimated and can change. 50% earning match is a limited time offer by Robinhood, and staking always involves risk, okay? The value of Solana can go up and down. As it is a cryptocurrency, it's very volatile, okay? And but you can always unstake your Solana at any time. Just know it goes up a lot. It could go down a lot. It's really hard to predict. So definitely don't look at this as like a get rich quick scheme. Okay, it's very volatile. This is only for if you want to test it out or if you have some Solana lying around. It's a good thing to use it for. Now, I've read over Robinhood's crypto staking terms and conditions, and these are the key points that I've found from it. So, there is a 15% staking rewards fee that Robinhood charges. Okay, and this is on earned rewards. So, it's not your total. So, it's like 15% of the rewards generated. And the fee is already taken, and other than that, it's all paid out to you. Another thing that might catch people out is even though there isn't any lockup, it's not instant either. Okay. Other things that people might not like is it's not protected like cash. You don't have any controls over any validators. And I just also want to reiterate this is definitely not financial advice when it comes to staking. Okay. Staking involves risk. Crypto can go up a lot, it can go down a lot. You'll have to do your own research, and I would definitely recommend only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay. If you have spare Solana lying around that is just sitting there and you want to earn some rewards on it, this is the way to go. Okay, so let's move on to how to earn APY on your cash. So if we scroll down here to the middle section of Robinhood, you can see that we can earn interest on our buying power when it's invested in a JPMorgan money market fund. Okay, so here we go. Here is how you basically enable the 5% APY. So when you sign up to Robinhood, you usually get this pop-up on your screen where it says 5% interest on your buying power is now available. So we're going to click on earn 5% APY. So here are some of the frequently asked questions. So what happens when I enroll? When do I start earning? You just read all this information. When is the interest paid? Are there any fees? This is all just kind of general knowledge about it. What are the risks involved? What happens if I turn off the feature? What I do like about this is that your funds are insured by the investor liabilities insurance up to 22,000 euro. That's very important as 5% APY is quite a lot in today's market. So it is nice to know that you have that little buffer zone of insurance when it comes to it. So yeah, all we click on is continue, and now it says we've unlocked the 5% APY. Okay, so this is the Robinhood Cash APY explained, and what it is and how it works and how much you could earn, okay? So Robinhood pays interest on your uninvested cash, basically. What they do is they use a JPMorgan Euro Liquidity Fund, which is basically a money market fund, okay? It's currently set as 5% as an offer from Robinhood. The rate is variable, okay? After the 1st of July 2026, Robinhood will charge a fee of 0.5% on the annual percentage yield, okay? Interest accrues daily and is paid monthly. And just keep in mind, it's not a savings account. The capital is not guaranteed and the value of the fund can go up and down as well. And you are covered under insurance for €22,000 should anything happen with JPMorgan. Okay, just an example, if you deposit €1,000, after 1 month you have earned €4.16. After 6 months you've earned €20.78. After 1 year you've earned €51.16, and after 5 months you've earned €256. So I hope that gives kind of insight as to the kind of yield percentage. Please also keep in mind the 5% is a promotion, I believe, from Robinhood. I don't know exactly what it will go down or up to. And just be aware, this isn't a savings account. The capital is not guaranteed and the value of the fund can go up and down as well. And they will charge a 0.5% fee after the 1st of July. Just take all this information in here. As always, I've gone through the terms and conditions of the 5% APY offered by Robinhood. So I've kind of broken it up into sections here, okay, including the fees and charges, how it's not risk-free, there is no lockup and there's no minimum, how the APY is variable, it is a temporary promotional boost, and the money is invested in a money market fund by JPMorgan, and also how you do have investor liabilities insurance up to €22,000 if anything does happen, okay? And here are all the key takeaways as well. And as I always reiterate, it's not financial advice and the capital is also at risk, okay? And yeah, that's going to be my last video on Robinhood. I think I've gone in depth on everything I could possibly, including the buying, the selling, the staking, the cash APY offers. So yeah, my next video is going to be on Trading 212. I'll be doing an in-depth guide how I did on Robinhood on Trading 212. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, have a good one, guys.